Do you want a copy of everything stored in your CapCut account? In this video, I will show you how to download all your CapCut data step by step, including your projects, account information, and activity data. Backing up your data is important if you are switching devices, protecting your content, or just want a personal archive. So, let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to CapCut app. Then here in this first page, let's skip this out. You will click here on this sign of profile. You will enter to profile on CapCut Me here. Then this page will go to above to settings. In this list you will find something called manage account, so you will tap on manage account. And here in this list of manage account you will find download your data, so you will tap here and you will wait for a moment to show you where you can download your data here. As you see, they give you request data or download data. You will choose download data and no, here request data first. You have to request data first. You will select all data or just custom as you want. Then here you can choose the file format and then you can click on request data, and when your data are accepted you will find your downloads data here in this list. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us with like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.